Hey Year 8s, welcome back to another examples video. This one is for week 7 with our topic being frequency tables and tallies, and these are the examples that we've got. So our first example we have for this week is the different car colours along a quiet road are noted. So the first thing it wants you to do is convert the following tally into a frequency table. So one of the easiest and quickest way to do it is to, as I've done here already, add an extra row down the bottom and then put your totals. So if we look here, we've had white, black, blue, red and yellow cars. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer each of the tallies to being into an actual number. So in the white there's 3 tallies, which means we had 3 white cars show up. So 3 white cars showed up there. So then I look at my blacks. So I've got 5, 10, 13. So I've had 13 show up all up. Then I keep going. So blue, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So 17 blues. Reds I've got 5, 6. And yellows I had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we had 9. So now we've gotten and put it into what is called frequency. So the last part of this example is state how many red cars were spotted. So if I look at my frequency from my reds, 6 red cars. So 6 red cars are spotted, and there is your answer for that example. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go on to our next example. So our next example is put the following data into a frequency table. So what it's got is it's got a bunch of numbers that are out of order. So the best way to go through this is I'm going to put a tally for each one time it shows off and cross it off up the top, so I do it twice. So our first number is a 1, put a tally in the 1. Then we got a 4, tally in the 4. And we just keep going through until we're finished. Okay, so now that I've tallied it all up, I'm then now going to write below how many times it showed up. So the number 1 showed up 6 times, number 2 showed up twice, number 3 showed up once, number 4 showed up 3 times, the number 5 showed up once, and the number 6 showed up once. So that's pretty much how what we're going to do. The only other example I can think of that you may come across is, let's say you get given numbers like we've got 10, 21, 30, 14, 16, 24, 32, 23. So sometimes you'll be asked to do ones like this and you'll have to group them. So often they'll go 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39. Okay, so sometimes they'll ask you to do these types of ones, where when you tally them, we would do it. So here, to do it, we would look at what numbers fall in between these. So I'm going to do my tallies now. So for 10 goes there, cross them out. 21 goes there, cross them out. 30 would go there, cross them out. 14 goes there, cross them out. 16. And you just keep going. So this is what you'll have to do when you have these types of questions, is sometimes they'll be really nice and they will give you those ranges, but other times they'll ask you to come up with those ranges. So usually lots of 10 is the best. And that is our examples for this week. Thanks, guys.